So the first kitchen tip is, often when we deep fry anything, we use a strainer. But whenever we have to deep fry Pop-Pod, if we deep fry it in this way with tongs, it becomes very easy. Many times, a lot of oil remains in the Pop-Pod with the strainer, and at the same time, it takes a lot of time to turn it and the Pop-Pod also gets burnt. So whenever we use tongs, all the extra oil gets drained out and it is very easy to deep fry as well. So you must try this trick. This will make your work very easy and you will see that all the oil gets drained very quickly. Pop-Pod will seem completely oil-free to you. So you can also try this trick. Winters have arrived and a lot of amla is easily available in winters. You must also know a lot of healthy amla recipes. I am sharing some ideas which are very useful for me. It is very simple. So I have washed the amla properly. After washing, we have to cut it lightly. In this way, and after cutting, we will fry it in a little oil. We have to take very less oil. I have taken 1 tablespoon of oil and we will make a very tasty pickle from it which stays in the fridge for a week and it does not spoil at all for a week. So I have just added simple spices. Red chili powder, turmeric and a little salt according to taste, and we will just cook it covered till it is cooked because we have made cuts in it with a knife so it will cook very quickly. So it will not take much time. So this is a quick recipe. Instant amla pickle is ready. And anyway, many times if we make amla pickle and store it, it does not last for a year. So in these winters, you can make this recipe and enjoy it throughout the winter. And another amazing idea is to cut the amla properly and put it in the mixer jar. You can also add some curry leaves to it. So we are going to make this very healthy drink. So you can consume healthy drink throughout the season and you can even store it for a year. So, I have added some water and grinded it properly, and added some water in the mixer jar and made juice so that all the amla juice comes out. And I have strained it in a muslin cloth in such a way that whatever fiber is in it, it does not mix in our juice. And this is our very healthy option which you can drink early in the morning. Amla and curry leaves. It works like a very good tonic for our eyes. It is also very good for our immunity. So, I have frozen them in the freezer by adding them in ice cream. And now you can take it out and store it in a Ziploc bag or in any airtight container for a year. And just put a cube in lukewarm water in this way and drink it sip by sip. It is a very healthy thing. Consumption of amla. It is very good in any case. It is also very good for the health of our hair. If you like a little sourness, then you can also add a little honey to it. And it is also rich in vitamin C, so it is also very good for our skin. Now let us see that whenever we make biryani etc., we have to fry onions for that. Deep fry or burn it well, so that the taste of our biryani is amazing. So for this, whenever you fry onions in oil, add a little powdered sugar to it. Add sugar powder and mix it well in onion slices, and then when you deep fry them, you will see that the time taken to fry onions becomes very quick. Your time will be saved here, and immediately the onions start changing color. They start turning black, and anyway, onions are made a little black for biryani. This makes the taste of our biryani very amazing. So just by adding a little powdered sugar, your biryani is going to be very amazing. It is going to be exactly like the market style. So we just have to fry them in batches. Do not add all the onions at once. Add a little at a time and fry. And then they will turn brown soon because they get caramelized due to adding sugar. They become dark very quickly, and this also makes our biryani taste very good. So you can also try this trick. If you make biryani at home, then this is going to be very useful for you. It is going to save a lot of time. Now we are going to make paneer. So often we either cut paneer and fry it or add fresh paneer as well. But if you fry a little and add it, then this trick will be very useful for you because this is malai paneer, and malai paneer is very soft. It breaks and scatters very quickly whenever we make a vegetable of it. So in this way, when we fry a little of it and then deep fry it, then it will scatter completely. So that is why this trick is going to be very useful. We just have to fry the whole big piece of paneer by putting a little oil on the non-stick pan and turning it from all sides. You do not need to cut it separately and then fry it. This also wastes a lot of oil, and a lot of oil also gets mixed in our paneer. We get a very oily vegetable. So this is a very amazing method, and it gets fried well from all sides, and our paneer does not break, and the cubes of paneer are visible separately. The burji will not be visible at all. So whenever we fry paneer and make a vegetable, its taste is also very good. So you can fry paneer in this way, shallow fry. Now let us see the next very amazing idea of the kitchen. Often we make halwa or upma etc. at home. But many times while adding water, lumps start forming in the semolina, and due to that our halwa does not become tasty. Separately, lumps remain in it even after cooking. So whenever you are adding water and you start seeing lumps, immediately take a whisk and whisk it well on very low flame. Then you will see that whatever lumps had formed will also break and dissolve well, and the halwa will be very tasty. Now let us see another amazing idea of our kitchen, or we can also call it a home remedy by which we can get immediate relief from acidity. For this, we have to add 1 teaspoon of celery in lukewarm water. And we will add the same amount of black salt or rock salt in it and mix it well. And after mixing, we will chew the celery well. The juice of the celery should also go inside our mouth, and while chewing we will drink this water. And you will see the instant work of Eno etc. to remove acidity. This is a better method than that and is natural. So, you can definitely try this method. Whenever you get indigestion, after eating heavy food, outside food, or even if we eat something like that at home, then this is a very relieving thing. And you just have to drink it 1 sip at a time and chew it well and take the juice inside. If your sabudana khichdi turns out sticky, then try this trick. First wash the sabudana properly, and after washing, we have to keep the amount of water in it limited. After washing it, now you see that we have to keep only this much water on the surface of 1 inch, and then we will cover it and soak it for 4-5 hours. And then when we prepare it and make its khichdi, then we will drain all its water by keeping it in a sieve. When we make its khichdi, you will see that each grain of it remains separate. Absolutely. This stickiness does not come in it. When you keep the amount of water equal, then your khichdi will be very fluffy. If you liked the video, please like it. Often we prepare butter at home from cream and make ghee, and we throw away the part below the ghee. Instead of throwing it away, we can make a very healthy and tasty cake from it in this way. So let's see. The recipe of this tasty and healthy cake, which tastes exactly like khoya cake. So first of all, I have taken 1½ cup of flour. I have added ½ teaspoon of baking powder in it. And I will add ½ teaspoon of baking soda in it. And we will sieve all these things well. Sieve is very important because if we sieve the refined flour, then air gets incorporated in it well, due to which our cake becomes very soft and fluffy and becomes latticed. So this khoya which was left below our ghee, we will use it after sieve. Here I have added ½ cup of normal temperature milk. I have added 1/4 cup of oil. You can use refined oil. Do not use any oil with strong flavor. I have used only ½ cup of curd at room temperature. And we will add all these things gradually, little by little. And here I have added about 3/4 cup of condensed milk, which is being used for sweet. If you do not want to add condensed milk, then you can also add powdered sugar to it, and you will have to increase the quantity of milk and curd a little. But adding condensed milk makes a very tasty and great cake. So you too should make a cake by adding condensed milk. And this khoya, I have just added it. Do tell us in the comments section below what you call it. I am still calling it khoya because it gets cooked well in ghee. So now we will add some green cardamom powder and a little rose water in it. This will make a very flavorful mava cake. It will taste the same as the one you get in the market. So we throw away the ghee after filtering it, thinking it is a waste. So don't throw it away. Do use it in this way because it makes a very amazing recipe. I added a little salt which balances the sweetness well. So I have added 2 pinches of salt and a little bit of vinegar in it, because we are making an eggless cake. So to make it a little latticed, do add vinegar at the end and mix it, so you can taste it. The sweetness is absolutely perfect. It is balanced. So here I am lining a pan with butter paper properly, and then I am pouring the batter in it. On top of it, because this is a mava cake, I have added almonds very nicely cut and sliced, and you can add any nuts. And on the low rack, I had preheated it in the microwave on convection mode at 180 degrees. Then I am baking it on convection mode for 35 minutes. So the cake is ready. When you prick the knife right in the center, the knife should come out clean. And you can see that our cake is ready. As tasty as it looks, it was amazing to eat. All the flavors came out very well. And I will show you by slicing it. The cake is so latticed. It is eggless and very tasty. It is a very spongy cake. So you must also try this recipe and try making it in this way and tell me in the comments section below what do we call the part below the ghee in our language. And look, I am going to store it after slicing it in this way. And give one slice each to the children in the evening snack or in the morning or in the mid-meals. So it is a good healthy thing and homemade is very good.